Hi, it's MiMMO. Just a short drive from Reggio, hidden high in the mountains, sits one of Calabria's most fascinating villages, Galliciano.
Dan's cousin Paolo suggested we make the drive up here, and later in this video, we also stop to explore the ruins of Castello Ruffo di Amendolea.
The drive here definitely keeps you awake. Narrow mountain roads, switchbacks, and steep cliffs around every turn. I prefer driving stick on these roads and have become quite the horn player. It's absolutely worth it.
Galliciano is rooted in history, part of the Greek region of Calabria, and one of the last places in Italy where the ancient Greco dialect is still spoken.
You can really feel that connection to Greece here, especially standing above the village near the Orthodox sanctuary dedicated to the Madonna of Greece.
The small Orthodox church has become one of the symbols of Galliciano and reflects the village's deep Byzantine and Greek heritage.
Beside it, this beautiful open air theater surrounded by mountains almost feels like a natural balcony over Calabria. From above, you can really appreciate how isolated and protected this village has remained for centuries.
Standing here with these mountains surrounding the village, it's hard to explain how truly peaceful this place really feels. Everything slows down here. The mountain air, the silence, the sound of the wind moving through the hills. It feels very far away from modern life.
Walking through the narrow stone alleyways of Galliciano feels like stepping through living history. Tiny passages, weathered stone homes, painted signs, and hidden stairways seem to appear around every corner.
And what I love most is how authentic it all feels. Nothing feels designed for tourists. This is simply everyday life in a historic Calabrian mountain village. As we make our way through the village, we arrive at the Church of St. John the Baptist, one of the more important spiritual landmarks here in Galliciano. Like much of the village, the church reflects centuries of layered history, faith, and cultural identity.
Here you'll find the Grecophona Library, Cultural Museum, traditional gathering places, historic churches, and landmarks dedicated to protecting the language and traditions of Greek Calabria. You can really feel how proud the community is of its history and identity.
After exploring the village, we stopped for lunch at Trattoria Nisio Paleo. Simple, authentic, homemade Calabrian cooking, fresh pasta, local wine, and the kind of meal that feels more like eating with family than dining at a restaurant.
Earlier on our journey into the mountains, we stopped at the ruins of Castello Ruffo di Amendolea. The remains of the fortress still dominate the landscape centuries later.
Even the abandoned church near the base of the castle felt mysterious, almost frozen in another time.
Galliciano may be small, but places like this are part of what makes Calabria so unforgettable. Raw history, dramatic landscapes, and hidden places that many travelers never get the chance to see. Thanks for exploring Calabria with us, and we'll see you on the next journey with MiMMO Maps.
Arrivederci.